Welcome back my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. 1971 Dodge D-Series 4x4 is a rugged American classic that has earned its place in the hearts of truck enthusiasts and collectors alike. With its boxy, bold styling and true workhorse capability, the 71 D-Series was built at a time when trucks were becoming more than just utilitarian farm tools, so they were evolving into icons of American freedom and individuality. Dodge, already a respected name in the pickup game, pushed the limits of performance, durability, and design with this model, especially in the 4x4 variant, which brought serious off-road credibility to the table. Under the hood, the 1971 D-Series could be equipped with a range of engine options from the reliable 225 cubic inch slant 6 to the powerful 383 cubic inch V8. These engines were paired with either a manual or automatic transmission, depending on the trim and buyer preference. The 4x4 drivetrain gave it superior traction and off-road capability, making it a favorite among outdoorsmen, ranchers, and anyone who needed a truck that could tackle tough terrain without hesitation. Design-wise, the A71 Dodge D-Series had a straightforward, muscular appearance. The front bumper was a thick, chromed steel unit, simple yet strong, designed to endure wear and tear of rough roads. On the side, the body was clean and squared off, with minimal ornamentation or just enough chrome to add character without being flashy. The rear bumper was similarly robust, often chromed or painted steel, and built to handle towing and rear impact without issue. The bed, available in different lengths, was lined with durable steel and ready for anything from hauling lumber to carrying camping gear into the mountains. In terms of pricing, the 1971 Dodge D-Series was relatively affordable by today's standards. A base model 4x4 could be purchased for around $3,000 to $3,500 at launch, depending on options and engine choice. Adjusted for inflation, that would be equivalent to roughly $22,000 to $25,000 today, a bargain considering the capability and reliability it offered. Today, a well-maintained or restored example can fetch anywhere from $15,000 to over $40,000 depending on condition, originality, and rarity of features. The D-Series was launched in 1971 with updated styling cues from previous generations, including a new grille design and some interior improvements. Dodge continued to offer a wide range of trim levels, from the utilitarian custom to the more upscale adventurer models, giving buyers a choice between basic function and added comfort. This model year was especially notable because it marked the last of the first generation D-Series before Dodge introduced the more rounded styling of the second generation in 1972. Please like and subscribe my YouTube channel Top Cars TV. The 1971 Dodge D-Series 4x4 remains a testament to the era's no-nonsense approach to truck design: tough, reliable, and ready for anything. Whether you're a fan of vintage American pickups, a restoration hobbyist, or just someone who appreciates classic automotive craftsmanship, the 71 D-Series deserves a second look. It wasn't just a truck, it was a statement, to one that still echoes on roads and trails more than 5 decades later.